We have 100 left in each one of our super popular bungalow runner mats. Now these were themed for the laundry room. They've got some nice cushion and padding, and these are a part of an online catalog that have been selling out so fast because people are finally doing decor and design in their laundry rooms. Today, 4 flex till the end of this hour, only 100 left in each design. They're coming up for a very quick presentation after our break.
I'm Tori Johnson, and I'm the Deal Hunter. Every month, Deal Hunter brings a range of products: beauty, jewelry, home, limited quantity, limited products at unbeatable prices.
Wait until you see the deal that we've brought exclusively to you.
Deal Hunter is a great opportunity for me to introduce the HSN viewers to a whole new line of products. Trust me, you are not going to want to miss these deals. Watch me on Deal Hunter this Friday at 10 p.m.
Alexandra Baker's joining us with one of her favorites. I mean, you told me when you first brought these in, you were totally cuckoo pants bananas in love with these mats.
Yes.
For those of you that are looking to maybe put down a nice runner in front of your washer dryer, maybe it's in a utility space, maybe it's cement flooring, maybe you're just looking to make your room a little bit more welcoming and inviting, we've got these gorgeous bungalow laundry themed runner mats. Now they're perfect for your laundry room because they are totally okay with getting wet. We've got 3 different special designs and our final 100 in each one of the designs. So we're gonna do a special flex deal. We have got these long runner mats. They're 25 by 60. They are totally machine washable. They're all made right here in America. And look at the 3 beautiful choices we've got. We've got dirty laundry here, final 100. We've got wash, rinse, repeat, final 100, and then the one in the end, that beautiful, vibrant, rich color is called Laundry Line, and it's been so popular that we don't even have a sample in the studios anymore. I've got less than 100 left. That's called the Laundry Line. It will be the first one to go. We want to show you how big and beautiful design these are. It is last call, so we're doing $11 on Flex to get it home for you, to put some padding down, to put some decor down in your laundry room. A really beautifully designed set, all kind of vintage artistic looks, and last call across the board. These are just great.
These are absolutely beautiful. I love this, the bungalow mats. You know, it's all about livening up your space. It's about livening up the laundry room. That's an important part of the house. And so here we have some whimsical, bright, high quality, decorative floor mats that really are beauty and function, because we can see these are 25 by 60. So these are 5 feet long. Right, we can place this right in front of your beautiful Samsung washer and dryer. Now you've got a little bit of cushion for your feet. Now it's comfortable on your feet. It feels good on your feet. It's also great when you're standing and working, so it's giving a little bit of cushion for your lower back, but it's decorative. But look at how simply placing this beautiful mat in your laundry room is really livening up the space.
And for those of you that maybe have wood flooring where the washer dryer is and wet stuff comes out of the wash,
right?
This is good for protecting the floor. You could scooch it right up to under the washer dryer so nothing ever drips on that hardwood floor.
It's got a nice low profile, so if we did want to, you know, marry this even closer and place it even closer to the washer and dryer, we can do that. It's not too thick. It's about 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch in thickness, so it's just the right size. But what's beautiful, you're going to select one of 3. We've got the wash, rinse, and repeat, which is a little bit more of a chalkboard feel. So if that's your vibe, maybe you've got the chalkboard decorated in there, that will be for you. When we're talking about the dirty laundry here, and this is where everybody puts their dirty laundry, this is a little bit more of a vintage feel. The dirty laundry, you know, to me, it takes me back to milk bottles and crates and more vintage. And then the line dry, well, of course, that reminds us of fresh air and sun-kissed clothing. So pick the style that you like. Pick the one that, you know, really moves you. But I just love that it's beauty, it really makes the place look a little more comfortable.
It's also whimsy. I mean, each one
totally
of these,
whimsical.
excuse me, each one of these really feels like that vintage sign, you know, that was sourced from back in the day. They're special pieces. They're all machine washable. They're all made right here in America. Bungalow is becoming a big partner for us in the world of indoor and outdoor rugs. And this really is that perfect choice for the laundry room because it's washable in and of itself.
Yes.
And they're really stunningly well designed today. Here's the thing. We're shipping these to your door free of charge, and we're giving you special flex for the next 200 homes, because with calls coming in, I'm calling it at less than 200 now remaining, free shipping and only $11. These would make great little fun housewarming gifts.
Fantastic housewarming. I love that idea.
They make great little hostess gifts for anybody that's got young kids and laundry is an hourly duty like it is in my home. They really do give you that bit of padding, that bit of cushion. They do protect the floor around the washer and dryer, and they are just a warm, welcoming, inviting choice today. So the one you're seeing right now, the chalkboard wash, rinse, repeat, I've got 70 remaining in that. The dirty laundry here, I've got about 100 remaining, and then the one we don't have on the set here is that vibrant, bright, colorful blue sky laundry. We call that laundry line, and I only have about 70 left in that choice. So it is only about 2.5 minutes left in our presentation. These are our final quantities for the season. They've been very popular on hsn.com. And if you were to shop this size, this design, this style in any catalog, in any home goods store, you would be looking at twice the price, let alone getting flex and free shipping to get it home, to delivery directed to somebody that you love for under $11.25 on your credit card.
But it's also about home accents. Many times I'm sharing items with you, you know, a little bit of how you're decorating your home and not forgetting that it's also about function. So not only does this look good, but it feels good. And I just can't imagine having to stand here, you know, for a while. Sometimes I'm at my washer or dryer. Sometimes I fold right here at the dryer. It just depends. But now I've got something that feels good under my feet. It actually is non-skid, non-slip. So whether you have the wood floors, the cement floors that's in the garage, or maybe you've got the fancier epoxy floors that you've had done by the garage companies, this is going to protect it and look good. What's wonderful is that it's machine washable. So even if you go with a lighter pattern like what we have here in dirty laundry here, and it gets dirty, it gets scuffed, people are stepping on it, just throw it in the washing machine. You're going to hang it dry. Maybe you'll line dry it on your pole that you were sharing just a moment ago. But just make sure that you air dry. You'll have these for a long time, but I totally think it adds a lot to that space in our laundry room, so that if we're going to spend time there, at least it looks really good.
Well, and for a lot of us, it's not a dedicated space. You know, maybe it's in a closet and this sits right outside of it. Maybe it's in a guest bathroom and you want a way to make it feel a little bit more design and decor friendly.
Absolutely.
These really are one-of-a-kind pieces, and they are very limited supply. So here we go. Our clock is going to go down in a couple of seconds, but we are going to stay here for one more second because I want you all to make this a personal choice for your home, and I want you to see your selections again because it is last call across the board. We have had 2 sellouts already this morning. Our laundry polls are almost gone. We'll remind you about those as we finish this presentation. But here are your 3 choices to select. That chalkboard wash, rinse, repeat design that you see in the center, that will go first. I've got about 40 remaining in that design. The one to the far right, that vibrant, that outdoor, that beautiful, really color spray design, we call that laundry line. I've got about 40 remaining in that one. And then the dirty laundry here, the one on the far left, we've got about 70 remaining. The flex is for this hour only. The shipping is completely